My name is Seth Deja, and I'm a pediatric dentist. I would say one of my favorite things, or what I love about treating children, is just taking them from a point where they're a little bit aware of the unknown and making it comfortable for them, whether it's an exam or whether it's treatment, just showing and teaching them that, whenever you come to the dental office, it doesn't have to be a scary event and it's not hard. When a family is looking for a pediatric dentist, one of the things that I think that they should look for is finding an office that they're comfortable in. And that you can kind of tell that from the very beginning. And one of the things that I think that is our biggest strength is that we're a very small office and we're very family focused. We're a family business. So from the second that you walk in, you're going to meet me. Oftentimes my family members are here, and it's a very small and personal office where you have private spaces, comfortable colors, things for the children to do, as well as a place for the parents to relax. The way that a family can tell if an office is kid friendly, I would say, is really your staff. It's just so important. So look for a staff that gets to know you, but also your child's, because they're the main focus of the whole appointment and the experience. You want people that are friendly and upbeat, but also compassionate and caring, because everybody brings something different and some kind of different experience to the office. I would say that a red flag that a provider is not a good fit is, any level of frustration. So for me, as a parent and as someone I have four children of my own, everything is done with compassion and care, and everything is done with patience and good timing. So you really want to look for someone that'll take the time that to meet your needs, someone that'll listen as well as do a really good job explaining, so that when you leave, you feel comfortable with any decisions that might be made and any follow-up care that might be needed. Consistency in care in young patients is probably the most important things, because young patients want to feel comfortable and they want to go to a familiar place and they want to see familiar people. And so I would say that, by bringing them to an office that you feel comfortable with, where they see the same staff and they see the same doctor and they see, the same environment, it's just going to make it to where whenever it's time to go to those dental appointments, it's a more pleasant experience for everyone in the family. Accessibility and convenience are really a huge factor. So you want someone that's close, and you really want someone that's local and a part of your community. And so we have all of those abilities. So we're a very small office. We can make sure that if you call, that we will answer the phone very kindly and listen to your needs. If you need something after hours or on the weekend, we're there. We live in town. We can come in if you need, and we really believe in that. And that, I think that's the biggest difference between us and others, is that you're always going to see me and you're always going to hear from the same staff. And if something is out of the ordinary and you need us, then we can promise that this office will be there for you. One of the biggest things that lets our staff stand out to other people is that they're just so sincere and genuine. So we wanted people that will, really compliment the team, but we watch how they interact with the patients. And the people here, they really love all the aspects of pediatric dentistry, from getting to know the patients and making sure that, exams and x-rays are done thoroughly and effectively, and just making sure that everyone is treated as an individual and their specific needs are met while they're here. If you're in the Lafayette area or just in this community, I would say go to our website and give us a call and come in, let us schedule an appointment for you, and get to meet the staff and get to know me, so that whenever you have any dental questions that might arise, or anything else that happens during the year, such as unfortunately dental traumas or any other need, you feel comfortable and you know who you're going to speak to and you know who you're going to see, and you know where you're going to go, and it's a very comfortable place.